course, pagdating sa bata, you do not check on the shoulder, but you tap the foot. So, ibig sabihin, itataas mo siya at hindi mo siya gaganyan kasi tendency lalakad ang pasyente. Okay? So, raise the foot. Hey, baby, are you okay? Hey, baby, are you okay? Hey, baby, can you hear me? So, saka ulit tatawag. And then, pag checking of the pulse, we do not check it on the carotid. Sa bata, brachial pulse. So, dito yan. Pero head tilt pa rin. Okay? Head tilt and then brachial pulse. Ganun pa rin, look, listen, and feel. Kaya ka nakaganito is you are going to feel the breathing of the client. Look at the rise and fall of the chest. Okay? So, ganun pa rin, 30 by 2. But, if you're going to analyze, dito, 2 hands ng ating compression. Dito, finger will do the compression. So, dito.
Daliri lang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ganun pa rin. 9, 1, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 4, 9, 5.
Yung counting po, sir, same.
Same lang. Pero dito, 2 hands, dito fingers. Huwag yung sasabihin, sir, sakit.
Ay, hindi naman mga babae yan, sir.
Hindi. Hindi, huwag yung sasabihin, sige na.
Hindi,
So,
hindi,
dapat
hindi.
practicing nyo yan. Ha? You need to have practice. Kala nyo lang sa tinitingnan madali. Pero when you do perform, mahirap.
Yes.
Especially if you're performing this to an actual patient. Mas mahirap yan. Ito, nagawa ko na yan nung pabalik ako dito, meron kaming pasyente sa aeroplano. Ako ang nag-resuscitate. Kasi tumawag sila, anybody? Hindi ako. Teka lang.
Yes, sir.
Baka ikaw yung may balita nun sa...
Sir, CPR.
Ikaw yata yung may balita.
CPR ka.
Yung sabi nila na, nag-announce sila na, anybody who is a nurse or doctor that is on board, in this,
Approach
orientation.
us, yes.
So, nagtaas ako ng commercial. Sabi niya, sir, lisensya. Sabi lisensya ko. Sabi niya, follow po sa likod. Nasa likod yung pasyente na nakahiga na. Pilipino. Matanda. Patay din. So, immediately after nang mag-land kami, hindi na sila nag-emergency land kasi patay na yung pasyente. So,
Hindi na lang nila sa iyo.
syempre,
Hindi, parang minsan kasi nakakalito.
syempre, lagi mo nasa wallet ang lisensya.
Papuntang Pinas, sir, pa-uwi o.
Ako naman. Kumain lang daw yun ng Jollibee. Yun yung history. Hindi, pero nagko-complain na siya ng chest pain. Tatandaan nyo, if somebody is complaining of chest pain, huwag niyong babaliwalain kasi baka nagkakaroon na siya ng blackheads, nagkakaroon na siya ng, alam niyo yun, narrowing. So dapat, tag dito, see a doctor. Magpa-check up.
Isa sa aming mga staff, ganun po.
Kasi pag nagkaroon ka na ng difficult, alam mo yung chest pain at nahihirapan ka na huminga, hindi mo alam, there will be narrowing, there will be something, kaya pa-check up ka.
Nakaraan ganito ako din. Pero hindi ako nahirapan mo.
Hindi.
Sige lang.
Kabayan.
Okay? So, i-demo ko lang, iba rin kasi ang bilang ng bata pagdating sa rescue breathing. Okay? Ready? There is it. I am one victim unresponsive, one bystander who can help. I am Rod, a trained first aider, I can help. Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, can you hear me? No response. Hey you in blue shirt with ID, please activate the emergency response system and get back to me as I do my initial assessment. Head is clear, mouth is clear, nose is clear, no contusion. Upper extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. Lower extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. One 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The baby have no pulse and no breathing. Hey you in blue shirt with ID, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Sinorkat ko lang yan ha, baka mag 1 to 5 din kayo, pawala kasi ko kayo. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The baby have pulse but no breathing. Hey you in blue shirt with ID, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my rescue breathing. Naalala niyo yung bilang dito ng rescue breathing? Anong rescue breathing?
24.
Anong bilang?
2, 1,000.
1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000,
1,000, 1,000, 2, 1,002, 1,003, 1,001. Hanggang 24. Pagdating dito sa rescue breathing, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010, 1,040. So hanggang 40 sa bata. With counting na 1, 1,001, 1, 1,002, 1, 1,003.
Hanggang 40.
Yes, 1, 1,038, 1, 1,039, 1, 1,040. 1, 1,039, 1, 1,040. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The baby have pulse and with breathing. Hey you, please follow up emergency response system. Get back to me as I do my final assessment. Head is clear, mouth is clear, nose is clear, no contusion. Upper extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. Lower extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. If the patient is conscious, binubuhat ang bata, ha? Baka ganun-ganun mo si bata. If the patient is conscious, ganito ang hawak. If the patient is unconscious, nakaharap sa'yo. For you to monitor yung ating patient. And to avoid aspiration and the secretions. So, conscious, unconscious. Okay? So, yan ang bata.
Sir, yung ginawa niyo po sa ulo, hindi niyo na po
No, hindi mo sa adult lang yun.
Sa adult. Angat lang yung ulo.
Okay, Mr.
Kasi
Frank, sample.
normally ang bata, kasama ang ilong at bunganga pag nag-blow ka. Kasi sakot ng ano yan pag nag-blow ka. Kaya hindi mo pwedeng i-pinch ang nose.
You know that, Mr.
Okay,
it's,
Mr.
It's
Frank.
easy to watch, but when you do it, it's very hard. That's why you need to view first the
Kailangan yun ang practice.
video and more practice before you do it, because otherwise you will be go outside.
Okay, Mr. Frank. Sample, practice.
Kahit sino talaga sa mga nag-NCO, ito yung talagang pinakamahirap. Because di ba, alam mo mag-full bath, alam mo mag-shaving, alam mo, pag dito nakakalimot ka ng counting.
Lalo na pag may
Pantay.
lilitong ka.
Oh, during final assessment, sabay-sabay kayo.
Pantay.
Okay? Nakita nyo? So, isa-summarize lang natin na dito. So, ganun din ang tawag doon. You are going to have 4 times na tawag. First na call, please activate emergency response system and get back to me as I do my initial assessment. Pagkatapos mo ng initial assessment, hey you, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my compression. Susunod, hey you, please follow up as I do my rescue breathing. And the last one is please follow up as I do my final assessment. 4. Both yan. So sa bilang dito, ganun din sa bata, on compression, 1, 20, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1. 1, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 2. Okay? Pagkatapos nun is, when you do the rescue breathing, 1, 1002, 1003, 1002, 1003, 1. 1, 1002, 1003, 2. 1, 1002, 1003, 4. 1, 1002, 1003, 24. Sa bata, 1, 1001. 1, 1002. 1, 1003. 1, 1004. 1, 1039. 1, 1040. Pagkatapos nun, check the pulse with is 10 seconds. Question. Before we go with choking.
Yes, choking. No
So
more.
sa final assessment, you will do adult, you will do child, you will do adult adult choking and child choking. Apat ang gagawin. Okay? Any question dito?
Wala po.
I will be particular with the calling, with the counting. Ha? So, yun, doon ko kayo i-check. Okay? Kung walang tanong, let's go with your